Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video is about creating a bootable flash drive for Windows 11. So the first phase is having to search for Rufus, which is a software we'll be using to make our flash drive bootable for Windows 11. Then you want to make sure you download the latest version of it. At this time of shooting this video, it was 4.6. This version was 4.6, so you required to download that. Then you install it. Then if it asks you for updates, you click on no, because you already have the file downloaded. Then let's set this aside for the next phase, the next step we have to do to complete this task. So open another tab and search for Windows 11 download. Make sure you're clicking on Make sure you're clicking on Microsoft official website. Click on that. Then you scroll down to this area when you select the edition, which is Windows 11 multi-edition. Then click on download. Then choose your preferred language. For me, I chose English. Then you confirm it. Then the download should begin. 64-bit, yeah. The file is about 5.4 gig. So I have to speed this side up so that we can go on to the next phase. So it took me about 3 minutes to download this. So you have it downloaded, and I have my flash drive inserted already. For me, I was using a 32GB flash drive. The minimum size of flash drive you need is an 8 gig storage flash drive, and if possible make it a 3.0 so that you can get a fast process, because if you're using anything lesser than a 3.0, the process gets to be slow. So you go back to Rufus, then you select, then go to where the file was downloaded, then you pick the file. That's the Windows 11 ISO 5.4 GB file size we downloaded. Then you just start the process. You don't need to format the flash drive manually, just start the process. This software, this Rufus, will initially format the flash drive before it does its thing. So you can see it's giving you a warning that it's going to destroy, that's going to erase the flash drive. Then click on OK. Then process starts. Noting when this started around 8:58, and noting when it stopped. I had to skip this process. It took about a total of 12 minutes to complete this. So that's it. Thanks for watching.